Hi, this is Eric with Auto Advantage in Escondido with a quick walk around video of a 2018 Honda Clarity. Let's get started. So this is a plug-in electric, 120,000 miles. Got lane departure, front crash warning, memory settings for your front driver's seat. Like I mentioned, it is a plug-in hybrid. Fully charged, you can get about 35 miles of just electric range. EPA rating is 44 city, 40 highway. The MPG rating is about 110 miles, which is basically the EPA's way of estimating what the electric equivalent of 1 gallon of gasoline would get you. So if you charge it at night, do a lot of short trips, you won't even have to use your gasoline. And if for some reason you do, then it becomes a hybrid and you still continue to get good gas mileage. We got Bridgestone tires with a good tread left, black metallic, as you can see. Good condition overall. A lot of people don't know about the Clarity, but it's a good value considering you're getting a plug-in 18 Honda when you compare it against something like a Chevy Volt or a Prius Prime. It is the touring level, so well optioned. You have side airbags, power adjustments on the seat, backup camera. Of course, it has auxiliary Bluetooth. All the other amenities you'd expect. Heated seats. Lane departure warning. So overall, very clean car inside and out. I did want to show you the Carfax report. So this 2 owners, 27 service records, and basically start to finish maintained at Honda dealers. We have the full Carfax report available on our website if you want to look at the details. So that's what you want to see, dealer maintained. Your odds are going to be a lot better with a used vehicle if it was maintained at the dealer. You can reach us at 760-280-7648, and you can also text that number or visit us at ibuycleancars.com and check out our excellent Yelp reviews online. Thank you. Look forward to hearing from you.